I'm back. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a hairstyles video, but not just hairstyles, trendy hairstyles. Look at that. Easy, cute, and simple. So, let's get this started. Alright, so before I can get started on doing the actual hairstyles, I'm just getting the knots out of the way because, it's obvious. You gotta get that out of the way. So now we're moving on to the first step, which is prepping the hair. So I'm just going to curl my hair with this Remington. Oh yeah, I have a lot of money. That only costs like 20 bucks at Target. But basically, I'm just curling my hair so it adds more texture to the hairstyles and it just adds a little oomph factor and definitely adds to the trendiness and overall just makes the look super cute. And yeah, all I'm doing here is parting my hair into two, and that's how I curl it. So very simple and super fast. I kind of gave up halfway, but I just wanted some little texture in there, and done prepping the hair. Now the most important thing is scrunchies for this part of the video. I mean, this is basically what's taking over the trend. So I got this green scrunchie from the swapmeet, so not Urban Outfitters, and I have these little cute scrunchy hair ties, So yeah, they're cute too, and they're not those. You can see it's kind of it's not that little skinny one. So finally, we're going to the first hairstyle, the loose ponytail. Haha. I wear this hairstyle every day to school because it's so easy, but yet it looks so professional. So all you do is get your hair in the back, scrunch it up, move your hair. Don't be afraid to, tussle it up. The messier, the prettier. And you just, like you're taking a little shower and just pull out those wispies. That is what makes it so trendy and cute, having just like your hair all over your face. Like, yeah, I woke up like this. And I mean, oh my god, look. There we have it. The loose ponytail. Cute and simple. And it only took like 10 seconds. Now our second hairstyle. So I'm using a purple scrunchie for the half up, half down. There we have Miss Haley Baldwin as my model reference. So all you do is get the front portion of your hair and troll it up, look like a troll, hike it all the way up like a cheerleader ponytail. And you want that JoJo Siwa hairline. And once you feel like it's tied and on the top of your head, that is when you will now tie the scrunchie on the ponytail, the hair. I mean, yeah, there you go. Look at those fingers. And scrunch it up. Make sure it's tight. And this isn't my favorite, but I mean, it is cute and trendy. It does work for a lot of girls. And yeah, it's super feminine and cute and effortless and just really wow factor. Pow! And yeah, I mean, just look at me for a few more seconds before we move on to the next one. Alright. Moving on, we got half up, half down bun. So I'm using the little scrunchy hair ties for this one. So I'm getting the hair from above my ear to kind of, there we go. Better view. Scoop it up, kind of like, if you're going to do a half up, half down pony. From there, you just start just running your fingers through and straightening it out and just working it up to move the ponytail a little bit more up, but not straight on the top, kind of like towards the top, but still kind of facing the back. I mean, I know that's confusing. And once you got that, wherever you want your bun, if you want your bun higher, you want your bun lower, it's all up to you, but the higher one is supposed to be more trendy. And there I go, just tying it into a ponytail, which keeps it in place before making it into an actual bun. So then you twist it and you kind of hold on to your little donut and you got the scrunchy tie and you just go loop-de-loop de looped, and there you have it. I've just pulled out the wispies to make it look more aesthetic, and finally you just pop that scrunchie on and bam, you make it just so freaking trendy. Tip: do not tie your hair with the scrunchie because it just bulks it up so much. So, all right, moving on, the half ponytails. These are so cute. These are personally my favorite because it just brings me back to when I was a little girl. So for this one, it's also really simple. So you're getting that hair above the ear, but you're only getting kind of like a fourth section of hair like you see here. And you kind of do just a little ponytail, and you face that ponytail a little bit more towards the back. You don't want it to be too ponytailish, so I mean like too pigtailish. And there you go, just tightening it and tightening it. And you just do that to the same other side. And these little scrunchy hair ties, they're so cute. They literally change up the look, so I definitely recommend getting these in like spunky colors, and that will make your look so much more aesthetic, if you please. And bam, there we go. And look at this. To make it more trendy, look at that shirt, and look at those glasses. Last but not least, the half space buns. So this is the number one hairstyle. You're kind of doing the thing that I did before with the ponytails, but instead you're getting that hair and twisting it into buns. And this look is just so elevated. I mean, if you wear this, this is like, I don't F with you. I'm from another world. I cannot pull this look off in public, but definitely gonna try because it is amazing. If Khloe Kardashian can pull it off, girl, you have this in the bag. So there I am, just twisting it, and I'm kind of struggling, you know, because it is a struggle to tie your hair. So yeah. And bam, there we go. The space buns are done. Yeah, the back is kind of messed up, but look at this. Pop on that scrunchie. You know what you do. You just pop on a scrunchie, and it's just pop on those glasses. Kissy face. Peace sign. You are aesthetic. I love you so much, guys. So you made it to the end. These were my trendy aesthetic hairstyles. I know they're so simple, but I mean, I'm just a simple person, and I just wanted to put there something out for you, and I really enjoyed making this video. Really got out of my comfort zone, surprisingly, and oh my god, guys, thank you for supporting me, and I love you guys. See you later.